I don't broke. Always held my own since I jumped up off the post. You ain't know, now you know. I take poor folk.
Run me my sack before I come in. $80,000 plus a jet on the back end. 20 twins finna get plucked like a chicken. Brother locked up, he spent much time in the kitchen.
Yes, it's me again, and I'm back. Oh my gosh, hey y'all, long time no G. I don't even know, man. I've been in such a funk lately, cause ever since I redid my room, like something happened to my cord, my camera cord that I use to transfer my videos over from my camera to my computer in order to edit. Gone. Somebody done snatched it up. I haven't been able to find it for weeks. That joint is gone. I haven't been wanting to record nothing. Haven't really been up to it lately. And this morning I woke up and I was just like, yo, everybody's always asking me, can I record like my hair? And I know that I can kind of tell that this joint about to come out popping. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me just give y'all a little visual. That joint about to come out real nice. Okay, that first little clip, it looked kind of weird because I was recording in slow-mo. I'm gonna show y'all the joints I'm using. I'm using Argan Oil Eco Styler, and I'm putting this Lotta body foaming rat mousse. I just completely messed that up. Rat me foaming mousse on top because I hate the crunch of the gel. And then people want to be touching my hair and I'm like, yo, like I don't really want you touching my hair, so like to save us both, just don't touch my hair, thanks. I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm doing. I don't know, maybe I should talk about this. So my hair yesterday was in a high puff. I was looking real, you know, like the struggle. I had oiled my scalp with wild growth oil, and all I had on my hair for real was shea butter and a wild growth oil, and then I put wetline extreme gel on the outside of my hair, brushed it up, and then I did a puff for the day. I ain't feeling that no more. I ain't feeling it. So today I woke up with a new attitude. Okay, I told y'all what I was using. I told y'all what's in my hair. Oh, let me tell y'all how I'm doing it. So what I'm basically doing here is called the raking method. Now I'm not using a dimming brush because I feel like that joint be taking my hair out and I don't have time for that. I'm feeling this. I feel like it's gonna be a really nice wash and go, and I'm glad I'm recording this now because I'll try to like actually plan to record it and the video is trash. I usually used to do my wash and goes, like I used to like start from the back, like back here where it's a little long at. I used to start from the back and like, you know, part it with my finger, do that whole line, part it again, do that whole line. But like since I became natural, my hair is actually getting longer, and so it's actually becoming problematic to do it that way. So I'm starting out doing 4 sections instead of, you know, parting it. Cause when I used to part it, like I literally ain't have no hair. Like I was a bald. Let me move up so y'all can see. Don't look at my face cause it's trash. But this is a full section of what I've just done, and then I'm gonna go and do the rest of the sections. And so I'll see you guys in this next clip right here. Boom.
1995, 2005, seen it with my eyes. Dope still alive. Real mob. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyotas. I'ma hit the gas. 12 can't pull me over. 12 space, cool, Quavo, Yoda, point.
I'm about to actually switch over to the wet line. This is done. So I figure I would just, you know, explain what I'm doing while I'm not talking, because I don't know if it would make a difference or not. But right now I'm putting in the mousse after I've just already put in a gel. Now what I'm doing here is called a shingling method. It's basically that you will separate your hair, because I know for me, when I put the gel in my hair, it makes my hair clump up. So in order for all my curls to just be individual and just be next to each other and not clump up, I just, you know, separate them in small sections, and then, you know, wipe the rest of the excess mousse out, because I don't want my hair clumpy. And then this is just me doing my edges, you know, something simple, nothing dramatic. Alright guys, so what I'm about to do is just end it here, because yeah, I gotta go to work and I don't want to be late. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I finally, you know, recorded a very nice wash and go tutorial for y'all, and I hope all of you are subscribed. I know I have some new subscribers since I haven't really been recording. Don't know if y'all really tuning in or if y'all just subbing for subbing, you know, just for the numbers, but I really hope that y'all are tuning in, because I'm really going to try to tune into people that I sub, you know, just as we're doing a sub for sub thing, because I feel like that support is really, like, that engagement is really there. Like, you just following, you're not really doing anything for my channel besides making me look good, and what I want is to look good, but of course I also want the engagement from every person as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Y'all already know how I'm popping off in my corner of the world, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye. I have to go. I'm about to be late to work, dancing in front of this dang on camera. Like, stop.